So how to add USD in Wise? So to go ahead and add USD to Wise, if you open up the Wise app, you should see a list of all the currencies on your account right here. So for example, right here, you can see that we have British pounds. So if you want to go ahead and add US dollar, you simply just want to click on New right here. Then from New, it will bring you to this page here, and you simply just want to click on Add a New Currency. Then once you've clicked on Add a New Currency, it will bring you to this list here of all the currencies you can add to Wise. So you simply want to scroll down and click on US dollar. Then once you've clicked on US dollar, it will pull you to this page here, which will bring you to your new USD dashboard. So you'll even get US style bank details, which you can view here if you want to pay in manually. But if you want to add USD nice and simple, you simply just want to click on Add right here. Then once you've clicked on Add, you simply just want to select how much money you want to add to Wise. So for the example of this video, we're just going to say $1. Then once you've done that, you just need to clarify how you want to pay. So the good thing is you can pay in your native currency, and the exchange rate is very good. So for the example of this video, I'm going to pay in British pounds. And you can also select which bank you want to pay with. So again, for the example of this video, I'm just going to say Monzo. And then at the bottom right here, you'll be told what the fee will be for this transaction. So if you're happy with the fee, you can go ahead and click continue. And then it will pull you through to your banking app, where you can then go ahead and verify the transaction. Then once you've done that, you should be redirected back to your Wise account. And if the transaction is approved, it will give you this well done message here. And then it will take you back to your USD account, and you'll then see the new balance in your USD account. And it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.